To stop your Galaxy Buds Live from reading your messages aloud on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable read notification aloud for the messages in the Galaxy Buds Live setting. To do so, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen. Find the Wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name and then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap earbud setting and then tap read notification aloud. Now tap the blue on off switch next to messages until the switch turns gray to turn it off. With the setting, when you receive a new message while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, it will not read the message aloud. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.